All right. Hello, everyone. Hello, Give team. Hello, everybody, watching here who are here inside our Global Income Builder team. Okay, today is Saturday. Happy Saturday, filled with peace, rest, and joy. Okay, comment below if you're watching right now, and please type where you're watching from, by the way, okay? Maraming salamat po again sa mga kasama natin dito sa Global Income Builder team. Nandito pa rin po tayo, alive and kicking. Siyempre, to support each other, no? Especially this last week of the month, wherein we should be paying attention with our monthly payment, guys. Okay, so don't forget to pay your monthly membership fee. Guys, that is very low, no? That is to compare with other businesses that I'm holding right now, with my other clients as well. It's so expensive to have an online shop, an e-commerce business, drop shipping business. It's really expensive, guys. And this is the lowest, actually, the lowest business po in the world. Okay. So let's all continue to work together with unity, respect, and of course, purpose. Ano ba yung purpose mo? Okay, wala ka bang purpose? Ako may purpose ako sa buhay. Alam nyo, gusto ko, I really want to have my own, yung tawag natin, home for the aged. That is my purpose. If I can do it, with the help of Live Good, guys, 'di ba? With God's grace, I hope I can do that. But as of now, what I am doing is, actually, I am just, sending gifts, no, every December to the home for the aged in our country. And we also have some friends here in the US who are in the, how do you call that? In the senior homes, no? Dalawin, kasi ang Lola, I'm already 64, guys. Okay, this is your coach Lola, and I'm here in California, retired. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, to those who still, this is your first time to see me, you got invited to our team. This is in here by your friends, and you're not a member of Live Good. I am Coach you can call me Tita Lola, Ate, what, Grandma, whatever. Okay, it's 6:15, guys. Saturday, galing po ako sa labas, and I'm really rushing. And I said, oh, I wasn't able to do my live yesterday because, we went to another event, and I'm so tired to do live yesterday. So comment below if you want to join me here. I'm going to send you the link if you can talk and you can help me here. I know Coach K is in the church, and also Coach K from Japan. I think she is doing some moving, no, nagmo-move siya from one place to another yata, no, lumilipat siya because yung job niya yata is nalipat sa ibang lugar, guys. Okay, so she's transferring right now to another place, so but she'll be here soon, guys. Okay, and my partner, my my podcast partner is also is having her vacation sa Seattle. No, busy-busy, dinalaw niya yung anak niya, si Coach Medi Parahele, Coach, partner, enjoy, sister, enjoy your trip. And pasulubungan mo ko, okay? Totoo lang guys, I've never been to Seattle at gustong-gusto ko pong pumunta sa Seattle. Yeah. Kaya lang with my work, kailangan ng permission sa ating boss. So hindi po ako agad-agad nakakaalis. Ah, work sa bahay. Hindi naman po ako nagwo-work sa labas. You know, you can have your business at home, you know, in one corner of your kitchen, one in your dining area, 'di ba? That's where I do my business sometimes. And in fact, I have my computer there, I have my laptop here, I'm inside the office, the library. Sometimes I'm in the bedroom, no? Sometimes in my bed with my iPad. There's so many things to do when it comes to digital lifestyle, when it comes to online business, guys. Talagang you will enjoy it, no? So, 'di ba? Ang hirap ng may boss. It's really really good na you can wake up whatever time you like, no? And just go and you can sleep whatever time you sleep, but don't forget to pray before going to sleep, 'di ba? You know, guys. So pag-usapan natin ng konti. Buhay-buhayin natin yung mga ano diyan, yung mga natutulog. Okay? So make a life out of this live good, guys, 'di ba? They're so good, sharing this business. Ano yung ikinatatakot natin? Tell me on the comment section, ano ba yung kinatatakot nyo? Why can you not get a one person to join you here, 'di ba? Sa Live Good. Alam nyo guys, I will tell you something. Did you know that there's one person here who invited, I think he is in Chicago. Yeah, I think he lives in Chicago, who invited only one person. Yes, guys, only one person. And that person na na-invite niya, I think in other country pa. Uh, nagkakagulat, ano? At yung isang person na yun, ito na shocking, naging diamond. Naging top rank sa ating Live Good. Di ba nakaka-shock? Paano kung ikaw yon? What if nakuha mo yon? And yung nakuha niya, the one person that he got, he enrolled, also breed or bred more diamonds under him. Bumalik sa Canada, naka-refer sa Canada. Yung na-refer sa Canada, naging diamond din. Under that diamond in Canada, nakakuha sa UK. In that UK, I think sumulpot data yung apat na diamonds, no? And I think sa Canada din, mayroon din siya na promote na nag-diamond. And that also in Australia, tatlo din yung nag-diamond doon. So, sino ang nakikinabang, guys, sa tingin ninyo? Yung tao na nakapag-refer ng isa. 'Di ba? So, hindi ka ba magre-refer? Hindi ka ba anong gusto mo lang ba talaga, mag-wait ng spillover o dahil gumagamit ka lang ng product? Is that the case? If the case is talagang you're just a product user, that's why you don't like to invite, you better not pay the $40. You should have just, pay the $9.95 kasi product user ka lang. But if your heart is to help others and support us, support the team, support the Global Income Builder team, dapat meron kang isang na-invite, 'di ba? Dapat nakapag-invite ka, guys. Okay? So, palusugin natin ang family natin, palusugin natin number one, ang ating sarili, help yourself to become healthy. This is the best time while Live Good is still here. But, guys, I'm sure Live Good will stay forever because they are their purpose of helping us, helping the people around the world, get healthy. As you know, I researched this morning there's one topic that I researched kung how many people are really using health supplement. I think there's only 55% po around the world, 55% using the health supplements. They're not aware of the health supplements. And also, I think the fact is, um, because it's so expensive before. Without Live Good, it's so expensive. And even me, only few can afford. In fact, when without the Live Good, I'm spending $300. I've been saying this over and over again. I'm spending $300 for my health supplements because I individualize. My doctor individualized those ingredients that you now can see in our Live Good health supplements. No, let's say yung collagen. We I love the our collagen, guys. So this is for men and women. You can take this. No, any gender can take this, guys. Diba? The collagen is so good for our skin, for our hair, for our nails, bones. Diba? But I'm so glad that we just launched our bone support, which is called Bone Complete, Osteo Complete, right? So it's really, really good to know that now we can purchase all of those, diba? Okay, I think I just admitted Coach K. Dito na yata siya. So anytime, Coach K, you can open your camera. Thank you so much. Nakahabol siya. Okay, guys. Busy-busy si Coach. I think naka-ano ka, naka-silent. And ayan, nahatak natin si Coach. Pwede mo bang itagilid yung camera, Coach?
Pag ganyan, Coach.
No, I think horizontal.
Yung ano, teka lang, Coach. Wala na kasing safe, computer.
Oo nga,
Ano na,
itagilid mo yan. Sideways mo yung camera mo. No, yung mismong telephone mo, you can, pahalang mong
yan.
ganon.
Yung phone mismo. Teka lang, Coach.
Phone mismo, ganyan. Kita mo to? Tagilid mo ganyan.
Hindi,
Tingnan
hindi
mo, kung
auto-rotate.
naka-iPhone ka, kailangan mong iayos yung setting. Pagka hindi ka naka-iPhone, pwede mong itagilid. Automatic yan. Okay. Yan.
Hmm. Ayan, ganyan, Coach.
Hindi ka naka-settings. Oo. Kailangan, ayan na. Ayan na. Oh, di ba? Very good. Ay, ang ganda ng halaman niya sa likod niya, oh.
Ayan.
Ibaling ko lang ng konti dito para yung light. Yes, oo. Yung light siguro sa kabila. Yan, ang
Kasi
galing. Meron na akong kasama, guys. So I hope you can share our live. I mean, hindi, you cannot share this live because we are doing this inside our exclusive group, guys. So the thing that you can do here is tag your members, tag everyone na kilala ninyo, na na-invite ninyo dito sa ating room, okay? So, Coach Kay, pakilala ka muna na makita ka nila. Hindi ko kasi September 27 pa lang ngayon, i-remind ko lang sila about the monthly payment and yung raffle natin will be next week dahil ano yon, every end of the first Saturday every end of the month. Yun po siya. Yan. Pakilala ka muna before I share my screen slide, Coach. Hindi tayo magpe-present, we will just do some training.
Okay. Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening kung saan man kayo. Okay, this is Coach K ng Japan. So busy po ako dahil I'm packing my things pa rin hanggang ngayon. Dahil siyempre nag-iisa lang kaya. Pero siyempre hindi pa rin mawawala yung kahit ako'y busy, I'm still posting my Live Good. Nagko-collect na ako ng
Yes.
pang Christmas gifts nyo, kaya baka gusto nyo naman. Yun lang, Coach.
Yeah, oo. Actually, this is the best, the right month to ask for, to collect, to list down kung sino yung mga bibigyan mo ng gifts. And the best gifts gifts na pwede mong ibigay, yung mga healthy gifts natin as low as $27 dollars lang yan. O yung iba kahit isang ano lang, yung isang product lang na super greens, no? I would love to maybe share yung super greens. Mamili ka dun sa tatlo, super greens, super reds, E3, yung mga malaking juice. Kasi parang pinapalitan mo lang yung kanilang juice yung kanilang iniinom na drinks. Kasi yung iba hindi talaga hindi talaga pasanay sa mga vitamins, D3, magnesium. So although may mga yan, may nararamdaman na sila. So the best product to give away guys yung mga jar natin kasi if $18 lang nasa 900 lang yan if you will order ng 4, 5. And this is the best time kasi I'm reminding everyone next month baka hanggang next month siguro mag-order po kayo because sa November and December, I'm telling you, yan po ay tinatawag
Yes.
natin, nagkakaroon na ng delay, no? Inaabot na yan ng February delivery sa inyo sa dami ng orders at hindi lang sa dami ng orders, yung talagang courier, marami po yung kinikater hindi lang naman po live good. Kaya alam natin na nagkakaroon talaga ng clog, no? So, best
Yeah.
time, maglista na po kayo. This is the best time to order. Yes,
Oh,
yan. Okay, 6:27. Wow, okay. So, mag-share lang po ako ng slide natin that I prepared the other day and para meron po akong pointers, no? So, ayan. Coach K, nakikita mo pa? I know,
yes,
naka-cellphone.
yes, Coach. Kitang-kita. Give
Okay, so
team.
ito po yung ating konting give team, weekly tips, with this podcast, no? So, konti lang naman yung slide so we can finish this really very, very soon. Yan. Ako, nalalagay ko pala yung pinaka, ano to? Hindi ko pala natanggal itong, um, okay. So, of course, last week sa Coach K, ano lang yan, ito lang yung mga wini-welcome natin, yung new members natin. We have, I think, 2 members this week. Sana po lahat
Yes.
tayo, we are already 500. So, one a week, mas maganda, di ba? One a week. Wow, or once a month, may 1 ka, para tayo, 1,000 na tayo, di ba? Napakabilis po. So,
Mm.
tinatawagan natin yung mga members na medyo hindi pa nakakapag-refer, especially yung mga bago. Just bring them to here inside the Give Team Facebook. Invite lang po kayo ng invite and then we will of course welcome them here, no? Rank advancement report po, I'll be maybe using the company, napakaganda ng company rank advancement natin no, na 1,000 more than 1,000 sa isang linggo sa mga bronze and the other rank naman super super dami na promote every week kaya talagang makikita mo walang stop non-stop ang Live Good no
Yes.
10,000 people a week no 1,000 I think mga 10,000 daw ang nagre-register and more sa Live Good yan kaya na napopromote naman ayan so would you like to read this coach?
Okay, task of the day. This is tested to work. Create a 1-minute video message specific to your friends or family and send directly to their messenger. Many leaders are doing this. Have success getting more partners.
Opo, yan. Actually, isa sa Pilipino, isang diamond sa Philippines yung narinig ko dito. I heard her say na nung nakita niya si Live Good, guys, talagang gustong-gusto niya si Live Good at napakabilis niya naging diamond din dahil na napanood ko the other day lang sa YouTube niya na talagang gumawa siya ng specific voice recording. I mean, not a voice recording, kundi video niya talaga, nagsalita siya at dedicated dun sa friend niya or sa family niya na sinabi niya kung ano yung si Live Good, bakit niya nagustuhan si Live Good. Para kasing ano yun parang special mo, parang para sa makikinig special yon dahil sinabi mo yung pangalan niya, you can also tell your her name, di ba? Pero kung if you want to just do one video, napaka-effective po nito, guys. Okay? So kung ano yung message, siguro yung binibigay natin, what are the six yung difference ng Live Good, yun lang po ang mentionin ninyo, bakit kayo nandito. Maiksi lang po, it should be like 1 minute, yung 1 minute video or 60-second video, guys. Gawin nyo yan, ipadala nyo sa messenger nila or sa cellphone nila kung kaya natin. Ayan. Okay.
I often get this Q question. When is the
Yes.
best time to post? Number one, while sipping your favorite morning drinks. Number two, lunchtime while having your lunch. Number three, 30 minutes before bedtime. Ooh, nice.
Yeah. Ikaw ba, Coach K, ganyan ka din? Kasi yung napanood ko kahapon, 3 times siya. Actually, 4 times siya. So, in-adjust ko lang itong ginawa natin. I just adjusted it sa morning, sa lunchtime, and the evening. Yung evening could be the bedtime kasi this one is bedtime yung sa akin. 30 minutes before bedtime while I'm watching some tutorials sa YouTube. Yes po, every day, every night, nanonood ako ng tutorials sa YouTube. Iba-ibang tutorial. It's not just affiliate marketing, how to advertise, how to do TikTok, how to do Facebook ads, mga ganyan. Lagi ko po yung tinitrain, lagi ko yung pinapanood just to train myself. The best time daw sa umaga, I think is 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. No, iba-iba kasi
Yeah,
tayo ng time in your biological clock, no? Na
yes.
kailangan 6 a.m. to 9. Ako po ang gising ko 9. Minsan sumasablay pa sa 10. Kaya ako wala na nga itong number 1. Nandito na ako
So,
sa number 2. Dinodoble ko na lang sa number 3. Ginagawa kong dinner and then itong before bed. Kasi ang inyo pong lola, hindi po ako gumigising ng maaga. Nasanay na po ako ng talagang nandun ako sa bed. Kung minsan if I wake up, nandun lang ako sa bed ko and I have to pray, no, bago ka tumayo, ganyan. So, that's one thing. So, type niyo po dyan sa comment natin kung anong time kayo nagpo-post. Di ba? Ikaw, Coach K, ano ba
yeah,
posting mo?
number one ako, coach, at number three, kasi nasa work ako, minsan lunchtime, minsan pag nakakalusot, pag maganda yung yung data natin sa lunchtime, minsan. Pero most ako number one kasi after my devotion at saka ako nagpo-post bago pumasok.
Yes,
Ini-schedule ko
tama
sa
yan.
post. Naka-schedule
Yes.
siya na, yeah.
Prayers muna bago ang lahat, no? We thank
Yeah.
God para maganda yung ating buong umaga.
Mhm.
Diba? Yan.
Yes.
Ito yung
Simple
simple
trick.
trick.
Okay, browse, comment, like other posts. It's not just about you. Yes, true. That's true. Order on your first day. Use products. See the effect yourselves. Create your own business page. Yes, true.
Yes. Di ba tama yan?
Tama
Itong
yan.
number one, browse. Mag-browse ka. Habang nagba-browse ka, kasi kasama pala yun sa algorithm, alam po
Yes.
ni Facebook, o ni TikTok, o ni YouTube, kung ano po yung pinapanood natin. Nakakagulat, di ba? Kasi ako din, pagpunta ko sa YouTube channel ko, and I check my channel, nakaitaas doon kung ano yung mga pinanood ko. 'Di ba?
Mhm.
Nakakagulat,
Yes.
alam nila yung activities natin with our gadget, with our laptop, with our cellphone. Alam po nila 'yan. So when you browse on your Facebook at nakita niyong may maganda, may relevant sa ating business or meron kayong nagandahan, mag-comment po kayo. Ako ay browse, mag-search din po kayo kasi while you search, no, may search tab dyan eh. While you search,
Mhm.
alam din agad nung social media kung ano yung sinesearch mo. So one of my trick and tip po para sa inyo, para maging ma-expand po nung social media yung account ninyo is to browse kung ano yung gusto mong topic. So halimbawa, gusto mo ng health topics, no? Halimbawa, i-type mo yung organic health supplement. Halimbawa, i-type mo yung affiliate business, new online business, drop shipping business, when you see that topic, uh, you have to comment. You have to like it. No? Hindi ka lang, mas maganda mag-like and comment. Hindi ka lang like ng like. So that is one of the, how do we call it, the SEO o search engine optimization. Na optimize po nung social media ang yung account ninyo. Hindi niyo po alam yun, ano? Okay. So like
Thank
other
you.
posts, no? And then it's because it's not about just about you. Hindi pwedeng ikaw lang ng post ng post ng post, no? Hindi tayo lahat superstar. Mabuti na mabuti kung tayo ay celebrity. But we are expanding our business. So just do that, guys, and you will see mas marami pong tao makakakita sa inyo. And note ko lang po, hindi kayo pwedeng mag-post ng inyong mga referral links sa account ng iba, sa mga post ng iba. Mabablock lang po kayo, mababan kayo. Okay? That is my advice. Basta mag-comment po kayo ng relevant dun sa kanila. Sometimes ako, if you can see my comment na sinasabi ko, I'm also using the same type of health supplement, but I'm using the Live Good brand, or kapag may sariling brand naman yung nagpo-promote, kasi wag niyong ilagay yung Live Good. Sabihin niyo lang, I'm also using the tea tree. Oh, I love that. It's strengthen my bones, no, mga ganyan. So hindi ang comment po natin should be in general. No, when you comment in other posts, it should be general, no? Hindi po kayo magpo-promote. Ipino-promote, kaya lang tayo nagko-comment kasi gusto natin na may sumilip. O sino ba to? Ano ba to? And what will happen, they will go to your account. And make sure yung account ninyo, hindi ko puro kabulastugan ang nakalagay. Kung magninegosyo tayo, it's about your business and who you are. Mga ganyan. No? Di ba, Coach? O, baka
Yes,
gusto mo
coach.
paliwanag itong second.
Order on your first day. Use products, see the effect yourself. Yes. Para po yung mga products na ginagamit, syempre, ikaw muna, di ba, coach? Para mapakita mo yung ano talaga. Kaya kung nag-member ka dito, mag-order ka ng product and then you promote it para makita nila yung effect sa sarili mo. Like me, coach. Kasi hindi po ako nagre-refer ng product nang hindi ko pa natitest. So, ganun po ako.
Yes. Yes,
Kailangan.
testingin mo muna. Oo.
So,
Testingin mo
makikita
muna ako,
nila kung
especially sa mga skincare, no? Hindi ako nagpo-promote kapag hindi ko pa nagagamit kasi kung minsan yung amoy, yung gano'n, 'di ba? I like our
yes,
skincare. Hindi ko pa lang po napapakita sa inyo yung video ko, but I also have a video of the skincare, and I need to order na naman, third order ko na po siya. Matipid naman po ako sa skincare. So, nakakatuwa, we have the best skincare. What I'm saying is the smell, it's very mild, yung skincare set natin, and also the whip tallow. I'm also using the whip tallow sa paa ko, no? I massage my feet with that. Talagang alam natin na very natural ang whip tallow, 'di ba, guys? Gamitin natin yung product, no? May mga members tayo, nakakatuwa, 6 months ago pa nag-order, tapos ngayon pa lang ulit magtatanong. No, hindi po gano'n. Yung effect po nitong ating mga health supplement, guys, kailangan religiously. Ginagamit natin every day. We need to use it every day. Hindi po pwedeng, ay, ginamit mo nang minsan, sabihin mo hindi mabisa. Kasi iba-iba ang absorption ng katawan natin. Ganun po
mm,
yun. Oh. Hindi po pwede na si ganito umiinom ng 4 na capsule, ako gumiinom ng isang may effect o nag-e-effect agad eh. So, ganun po yun. Especially the bone pala, by the way, coach. Yung na-launch
yeah.
nating bone, 100 osteo complete for our bone, 120 capsule po yan. That means po, ang formulation yan, mga 4 na capsule a day para
Mm,
makonsumo sa isang buwan. So itatry ko siya ng 1 month with the 4 capsules. Siyempre, lalo na kaming tumatanda. Kung kayo yung mga bata, okay lang yan. Pero kami pong mga tumatanda, we badly need the bone support, the osteo complete. No? Yan. Remind natin sila dito sa ikatatlo, coach.
create your own business page. Yes, kailangan
Business
po
page
meron
ka
tayo
ba,
nito.
coach? Mm-mm.
Yes, I have my page, coach.
Mhm.
So, para dun mapunta yung mga tungkol sa ating business. Tama ba, Coach? Pero we're using also our personal account, then bring them to your page. Pareho.
Yeah. Ako, I always advise everyone na gumawa agad ng business page. Well, you know why? Kasi may mga tao na they are more into their family posting, no? Yung personal account nila, they want about their family, about their adventure. I-separate po ninyo yon. Kaya yung business page, kaya tayo gagawa ng business page. Kasi lahat po tayo pwedeng gumawa ng business page. We can create multiple business page and that is free. Business page in Instagram, in YouTube, in Facebook, business page. Nakakapaggawa ka ng business page kung mayroon kang personal account sa Live Good. I mean sa Facebook. Now, doon sa business page mo, puro doon, gawin mo na lang na product, motivational, and business page. Business post, no? Yung business post is naghahanap ka ng mga affiliate and partner, and then yung mga product mo doon din, tapos konting motivation sa iyong and business. Ganyan po yung ipopost natin para hindi ma-populate yung ating personal account. Now, you see me posting sa Engineer Aguilar na Lola Aguilar ng business. Mag-combine po ako dyan because meron po ako talagang personal account dito sa US. So, hindi po ako doon nagpo-post ng mga product. Dito na lang po ako nagpo-post para ma-motivate ko lang po kayo. Yan. So, personal account ko din po yun. Ah, marami po akong business page. Actually, I have about siguro mga 10, no? Yung iba gusto ko nang i-close muna dahil hindi ko nang ginagawa yung ibang business na dati kong nasalihan. So, gusto kong i-close na yung ibang page ko. Pwede ko ding isalin sa inyo kung gusto ninyo. Okay. Pero mahirap magbura eh, 'di ba? Kung ano yung content, syempre i-ano mo na lang. Gumawa ka ng sarili mo, fresh. Humanap kayo ng mga post namin, ilagay nyo doon sa business page. Hangga't wala ka pang business page, hindi ka pa seryoso sa business mo, sa negosyo mo. Okay, guys? So, binibigay na
Yes.
natin lahat ng ipo-post ninyo. All you have to do is naman, i-post nyo na lang. And then may nagsabi pa na may link ako nilalagay. Actually, kaya ako po nilalagay yung main.livegoodpros.com kasi pinopromote ko po yung ating grupo. That is where they could just, look for other people na talagang may grupo tayo. There is an existing global income builder team. Kaya ako po nilalagay ang main Live Good Pros. Now, ang advice ko lang sa iba, gawin nyo na, mag-effort naman po kayo na mag-edit, no? Edit nyo na lang, takpan nyo na lang kung yun po yung gusto ko sanang gawin ninyo. Kaya ako intentionally nilalagay yon kasi gusto ko mag-effort kayong mag-edit, no? Tinuruan na natin kayo kung paano mag-edit, yan. What other questions do we have? Subukan natin
Okay,
ito.
so before that, meron tayong guest. Si
Oh,
Coach
hi.
Gertie. Hello, Coach. Angat ka na. Di ka na dito.
Si Coach
Okay.
Girlie, ano yan super busy sa, magka-chat kami, minu-minuto.
Okay.
Kaya lang may alaga eh. Ayan, oh.
Other questions? Am I late in joining Live Good? Late na ba kayo?
Yan. Ano nyo ba yan? Nare-receive nyo ba yung ganyang tanong?
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Okay, sa akin po meron. No, merong isang nagtanong sa akin kung late na siya kasi napansin nila talagang ang dami daw naging member, 2 million member, which is typically sa isang networking company, the 2 million, yun yung time na siguro mga 5 years old na yung company. So, but ang sagot ko agad diyan, dahil sa ganda ng Live Good, kaya ganong karami ang nagjo-join. And actually, hindi tayo late guys kasi ang networking company usually yan nagiging solid, no? Nagiging stable yan sa ika-10th year, no? 5 to 10 years. So, syempre nakikinabang yung mga unang sumali within the first and second year up to the 5th year. So, hindi pa po kayo huli. You better join now, no? Kasi yan yung 5 years, marami pong nagbabago. Actually, sa Live Good, we have tons of changes na po na pinaganda ng pinaganda ng pinaganda. It's getting more, ano tawag dito, yung more, ano, sa members, ano ba tawag doon? More inclined, more, uh, ano tawag nito? Coach, nalimutan ko yung word. Support, no? More support po sa member and the growth of the company. Ganon kaganda si Live Good, guys. Dati, alam niyo nung ma-open ang Live Good na June 2022, guys, membership lang yan, no? Ilang product lang yan, 7 products lang yan. Nung inabutan ko ng January ng 2023, 7 products or 9 products lang yan. But now we already have 40 and we will have 200 products all in all, imagine. So wala pa po tayo sa kalahati. That's why it's still the best time to join Live Good. Okay?
Okay. Know your whys. What life problem you are solving. Yeah. Coach.
Oo, coach. No. Bakit ka nag-join sa Live Good? Tapos umalis ka. Tapos pumunta ka pa sa worst na company. You know?
Mainipin sila. Kasi ang mindset nila is like yung mga dating online MLM ganun. So mainipin sila, akala nila kasi na uupo ka lang, magkakapera ka. Wala po noon. Kahit magtindahan ka diyan eh. 'Di ba? Siyempre magtitinda ka pa rin. Hindi ka lang
Yeah.
nakaupo, naghihintay.
Most
Yeah.
of those
So
people na nakikita ko, they thought that ano, they thought it's a get quick rich scheme. Na nung hindi nila makuha yung gusto nila in 1 month, 2 months, no? Wala na, no? Yung kanilang tinatawag na adrenaline ba? Yung tawag doon, no? May mga ganun tao na mga masilawin sa mga shiny object, no? Tapos pinapakitaan sila ng malalaking income na akala nila nakuha yon by just joining. Hindi po eh. Unless na ginagawa mo yung ginagawa ng leader mo, saka lang po talagang magbabago ang buhay mo. Okay? So hindi po pwedeng hanggang follower ka lang. Hindi ganun po yung negosyo. Kaya ka hindi umaangat o hindi ka nag-grow sa business mo, especially sa networking. Marami ka pang hindi alam sa business mo. That is true. Marami ka pang hindi alam ipaliwanag na. Kaya for me, nakikita yan ni Lord eh, 'di ba? Halimbawa, dadalhin mo si kumare, si kumpare, tapos hindi ka naman marunong magpaliwanag o hindi mo talaga alam yung talaga yung totoong um, goal or mission ng company mo, 'di ba? Also dito sa networking, although this is a simple business, kailangan po nating pag-aralan yung ating dashboard, yung ating website, no? Ang dami pa rin sa atin hindi alam ang referral link nila, hindi alam mag-login, nakakalimutan ng password. So doon ko nakikita na hindi sila seryoso sa business eh. Hanggang ngayon, no? Hanggang ngayon may nagme-message sa akin kung alam ko ba yung password. Imagine guys, kung gaano karami member ko, 5 ng member natin, ha? Para tanungin pa ako, 'di ba? So, I can see na marami pong hindi seryoso, that's why hindi po tayo nag-grow, no? Remember your why. Ang why ko is my family. Ang why ko is that goal na sinabi ko kanina that I really want to help the home for the aged, no? May purpose ka, may why ka eh. Ayaw mong iwanan ng family mo ng walang pera sa bangko, di ba? So that is your why. Kailangan meron kang huhugutin kapag nagkasakit yung family mo. That is also your why. Hindi pwedeng may kamag-anak kang mayaman na pwede kang mangutang ng mangutang. Hindi po ganon. No? Check your life. Let's solve your life or family problem. No? Diba?
yes.
Yes. Okay. Meron pa bang nagtatanong dyan? Okay,
Wala
I'm
po.
sure sa iba na ano na manunood nito sa mga replay, please type po kung replay ninyo na panood because I can see the time that you commented here. para masama naman kayo sa ating raffle. And also, please tag the members, your members. I know busy sa Philippines, it's Sunday. Some people are in the church, no, di ba? Kaya wala pa sila dito sa atin. But this is the weekly podcast natin to support everyone at matakil yung mga sagot sa tanong nila. Yan, coach.
Yes.
Do you have anything to
Affiliate.
add?
Ayan. Doon po, one thing lang ay, coach, wala pa tayo dun sa ano. Affiliate or membership versus membership or both.
Okay.
For
Right.
me, both. Both.
Yeah. May mga tao din kasi na ano tawag dito, they're looking at yung perang ilalabas nila sa pocket. So nakita nila si 995, ano ba yun? Mura naman pala, 995. Yes, yun po yung ating membership. So mga members na hindi sila naghahanap ng negosyo, nagpapa-member lang sila dahil gusto nilang makamura ng product, that is membership. So, yung affiliate naman is mga tao na gusto talagang magnegosyo. So, yung affiliate, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong website. Actually, 8 po yung ibibigay sa inyo. And you will profit from the sales sa inyong website. Cash po, makakatanggap tayo ng cash weekly sa mga sales natin sa ating mga website. The thing is, sa affiliate, no, pwede ka ring mag-invite ng member. Yan, kung affiliate ka. Kung member lang kasi hindi po sila nakakapag-invite ng member. Sorry, sad to say. So, sa affiliate, makakapag-invite sila ng affiliate and member, kikita din sila. So, hindi lang sa benta mo ng product sa shop mo. Ganon eh. Kaya masarap maging affiliate. Now, kung both po meron na naman kaming ibang level of commission, no? Cash din. Kapag affiliate ka, na member ka pa, meron po kaming tinatawag na 7 other ways to earn. Kasi yung member ka lang, na nag-avail ka lang ng discounted products, wala po kayong cash reward. Wala po yan. Okay? Malinaw. Nagbabayad kayo ng 995, you only to get the discounted product. Gusto nyo ba ng cash? Or gusto nyo lang ng libreng product? So sa membership po kasi, may libreng product po tayo kada merong bumili na customer sa website mo. Kasi sa membership po lang, binigyan pa rin tayo ng referral link, pero isa lang. Pero hindi po kayo official distributor or affiliate ng LiveGood kapag member lang. Pero kapag nag-affiliate member po, iba na namang level yung nakuha mo. So, yun po it will open up yung pong ating 7 ways to earn. Cash po ang nakukuha natin. Okay? So, meron po kami mga video about compensation plan. Nakakalat po yan sa YouTube and also sa loob ng ating website. There's a video of our CEO that you can watch. Wala pang 5 minutes yata yun. And you will understand there a little bit. At kung meron pa kayong tanong, you go back to your sponsor to ask, no, and understand. Once again, your dedication to this business is very important kung gusto mo talagang lumago at hindi lang gumamit ng products. Okay. Diba, Coach?
Yes, coach.
So, ayan. Mag-thank you na tayo sa kanila. I think that's enough na, no? And to those who would like to join us, no, punta lang po kayo sa main.livegoodpros.com dahil dyan po ninyo makikita yung mga member namin na kung saan saang lugar po sila. Yan.
Mga
Right,
busy sila.
Coach?
Yes, coach. Thank you very much for everyone.
So remember, pay your membership before the end. No, wag naman po ninyong paabutin yung last day dahil ito pala may bumibili sa akin ng credit wallet ulit today. So aasikasuhin ko din siya mamaya. And yun na nga, yung huwag kayo magpahuli. Nag-accommodate lang po ako hanggang 29, 27, 28, 29. Ano ba ngayon? September is what?
Dito is 28 na. Diyan ay
Dito
27.
27 pa lang.
Yeah.
Hanggang sa Tuesday lang po, ay 30 na pala yung Tuesday. Hanggang Monday na lang po ako mag-a-accommodate kasi kung minsan natataranta rin ako, meron pala akong ginagawa ng 30,000, hindi ko po kayo maasikaso. Okay, sinabihan ko na po yung iba. Hanggang Monday lang ako mag-a-accept ng mga bumibili ng credit wallet. Okay, dahil ano, minsan nakakaligtaan ko yung iba sa dami ko din na ginagawa, di ba?
Yes. So thank
Okay.
you, Coach
All right,
Derek.
thank you so much. Visit coachk.com.
Yeah. Hindi ko na
Yeah.
ilagay. Iba kasing phone. Paiba-iba.
Okay.
Kailangan maayos. Yes. Kung
All
nasa Japan
right.
kayo,
Oo, dito medyo makulimlim mo ulan-ulan na. Salamat, salamat once again and hope to see you at the top. Keep on going, keep on, you know, looking for your purpose. Okay, guys, stay safe, stay inspired, and enjoy your weekend.
yes.
Woohoo!
Kaya po kayong lahat. God bless.
Yes, thank you, thank you. Yeah, sandali lang at papatayin natin si live natin.